You, myself Ashish Tiwari. I am nursing tutor, Index Nursing College, and today my topic is arthritis. Introduction. Arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints. The main symptoms of arthritis are joint pain and stiffness. Arthritis swelलिंग और टेंडरनेस होती है जॉइंट में. इसके सिम्टम्स जॉइंट पेन, स्टिफनेस विच टाइपिकली worsen with age. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Definition. Arthritis means joint inflammation, but the term is used to describe around 200 conditions that affect joints. The tissues that surround the joint and other connective tissue. It is a rheumatic condition. ये एक डायग्राम में दिखा रहे हैं हम 3 जॉइंट्स. एक फर्स्ट डायग्राम हेल्दी जॉइंट, सेकेंड ऑस्टियोराइटिस एंड थर्ड इज rheumatoid arthritis. टाइप्स ऑफ arthritis. arthritis के टाइप्स: ankylosing spondylitis, gout, juvenile idiopathic arthritis, osteoarthritis, psoriatic arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, septic arthritis and thumb arthritis. इसके कॉसेस, इसके आर्थराइटिस के कॉसेस क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Osteoarthritis. The most common types of arthritis. Osteoarthritis involve wear and tear damage to joints, cartilage, the hard, slick cording on the end of bones were they from a joint, cartilage causing the end of the bones and allows nearly frictionless joint motion, but enough damage can result in bone grinding directly on bone, which causes pain and restricted movement. The wear and tear can occur over many years, or it can be sustained by a joint injury or infection. Osteoarthritis also causes changes in the bones of and osteoarthritis also causes changes in the bones and deterioration of connective tissues that attach muscle to bone and hold to the joint together. If cartilage if cartilage in a joint is severely damaged, the joint lining may become inflamed and swollen. Rheumatoid arthritis. In rheumatoid arthritis, the body's immune system attacks the lining of the joint capsule, a tough membrane that encloses all the joint parts. This lining, synovial membrane, becomes inflamed, and swollen. The disease process can eventually destroy cartilage and bone within the joint. रिस्क फैक्टर, अब इसके क्या क्या रिस्क फैक्टर हो सकते हैं? फैमिली हिस्ट्री, सम टाइप्स ऑफ अर्थराइटिस रन इन फैमिलीज, सो यू मे बी मोर लाइकली टू डेवलप अर्थराइटिस if your parents or siblings have the disorder. Age, the risk of many types of arthritis, including osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and gout, increases with age. Your sex, women are more likely than men to develop rheumatoid arthritis, while most the people who have got another types of arthritis are men. Previous joint injury, people who have injured a joint perhaps while playing a sport are more likely to eventually develop arthritis in the joint in that joint. Obesity, carrying excess pounds puts stress or joint, particularly your knees, hips, and spine. People with obesity have a higher risk of developing arthritis. Pathophysiology. Engaged immune complex become rheumatoid arthritis cell release hydrolysis from lysosomal cell, degrades tissue component, inflammatory response. सिम्टम्स, अब इसके क्या क्या साइन ऑफ सिम्टम्स हो सकते हैं? द मोस्ट कॉमन साइन ऑफ एंड सिम्टम्स ऑफ अर्थराइटिस इन्वॉल्व द जॉइंट डिपेंडिंग on the type of arthritis. Sign of symptoms may include pain, stiffness, swelling, redness, decreased range of motion. Diagnostic evaluation. How is arthritis diagnosed? If you think you may have arthritis, see your healthcare provider. The provider will ask about your symptoms and learn how joint pain affects your life. Your provider will perform a physical exam which may include accessing mobility and range of motion in your joint, checking for areas of tenderness or swelling around your joints, evaluating your overall health to determine if a different condition could be causing your symptoms. Content. Imagining exams detect arthritis. Imagining exam can help your healthcare provider get a clear picture of your bones, joints, and soft tissue. An X-ray, MRI, or ultrasound can reveal bone fracture or dislocations that may be causing you joint pain, cartilage breakdown around your joint, muscles, ligaments, or tender injuries near you joint, soft tissue inflammation. Can a blood test detect arthritis? There is no blood test that can directly detect arthritis, but if your healthcare provider suspect gout or rheumatoid arthritis, they may order blood work. It looks or for uric acid or inflammatory proteins. मैनेजमेंट, अब इसके क्या क्या मैनेजमेंट हो सकते हैं? मेडिकेशन मैनेजमेंट, मैनेजमेंट में मेडिकेशन, एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी एंड पेन मेडिकेशन में हेल्प रिलीव योर अर्थराइटिस सिम्टम्स. अब मेडिकेशन में एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी, पेन मेडिकेशन जो रिलीव करता राइट अर्थराइटिस पेन को. सब मेडिकेशंस also called biologics target your immune systems inflammatory response. A healthcare provider may recommend biologic for your rheumatoid or psoriatic arthritis. Physical therapy rehabilitation can help improve strength, range of motion and overall mobility. Therapists can teach you how to adjust your daily activities to lessen arthritis pain. Therapeutic injections, cortisone shots may help temporarily relieve pain and inflammation in your joint. Arthritis in certain joints such as your knee may improve with a treatment called viscosupplementation. It inject lubricant to help joints move smoothly. प्रिवेंशन, अब इसके प्रिवेंशन क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? हाउ कैन अर्थराइटिस बी प्रिवेंटेड? यू कैन लोअर योर changes of developing arthritis by avoiding tobacco product, doing low impact non-weight wearing exercise, maintain a healthy body weight, reducing your risk of joint injury. प्रिवेंशन, इसके प्रिवेंशन में हाउ कैन अर्थराइटिस प्रिवेंट, अर्थराइटिस प्रिवेंट करता है. यू कैन लोअर योर चेंजेस ऑफ डेवलपिंग अर्थराइटिस बाय अवॉइडिंग टोबैको प्रोडक्ट अवॉइड करता है. डूइंग लो इम्पैक्ट नॉन वेट वियरिंग एक्सरसाइज, नॉन वेट वियरिंग एक्सरसाइज को इम्पैक्ट करता है. मेंटेनिंग हेल्दी बॉडी वेट, जो बॉडी का हेल्दी बॉडी का जो वेट होता है उसको मेंटेन करता है. रिड्यूसिंग योर रिस्क ऑफ जॉइंट इंजरीज, जो जॉइंट इंजरीज होती है उसको रिड्यूसिंग का काम करता है. इसके प्रिवेंशन हो गए. थैंक यू.